See, ciao. We're back. After 1 year, we came back to Vietnam.
As some of you know, we spent 1.5 years in Vietnam during COVID, and we explored as much of the country as we could during that time. And Vietnam was really good during COVID,
So we didn't really plan to come back to Vietnam that soon, but as we were right back to Southeast Asia, we said, why not? Let's just book our last-minute flight, and here we are.
And because of that, we lost a week on our visa, but that's story for another time. And we will start this video with showing you a short edit we did for our 1 year anniversary in Vietnam. Today marks our 1 year in Vietnam. Exactly a year ago, we landed in Ho Chi Minh City and planned to explore the country for the next 3 months. Little did we know that we'll stay here for the whole year and still counting. We've been through a lot here, the good and bad. We spent a month in a lockdown, met many incredible people. Locals are so friendly here, especially in the countryside. We fell in love with the food. Yes, we really love the food. And we explored so much. From breathtaking waterfalls, stunning rivers and valleys, to mountains and lakes, endless rice fields, and even sand dunes and caves, to beautiful cities and beaches. And I have to take a moment to appreciate all the scooter rides that we love so much. They always lead to some great adventures. Vietnam really surprised us, and there is still so much left to see. Thank you, Vietnam, for having us. It's been the best year of our lives. We're excited for new adventures. Bye!
And this is how our journey back to Vietnam in 2022 went.
So we're flying tomorrow morning, and right now we came to the shopping mall nearby just to do some last errands before our flight.
Last minute shopping.
Yeah, and now we're stuck here. Oh my god, it's hot. Now we're stuck here because there's a huge storm outside, like it's raining as hell, and the thunderstorms and Munye.
Yeah, when it goes boom boom.
No, it's not. The lightning.
The lightning, yeah.
The lightning, it's so freaking scary.
So romantic.
We booked a 6-seater just so we can go. A bit more expensive, but it's gonna be worth it. Oh. And we made it. After almost 1 hour of waiting, a bit wet, still not that bad.
There's no way.
I'm so excited.
I'm fucking sleepy.
Super freaking tired, but we got it. It actually looks like I'm not carrying almost anything, but these 2 bags are heavy as fuck, like seriously.
I'm so happy that I have these bags because they're so much easier to carry than these guys.
Where is it? I don't see it. What are you doing?
Avoiding the streets. Hi, thank you. And remember, all detailed information about each of the places we visit will always be on our blog on shippedaway.com. So the worst thing happened. They wanted to take our drone.
So as we were leaving the airport, on the last check, they asked us for our drone, and they said it's illegal and we should give it to them and they will keep it till the end of our time in Vietnam. But the problem was we were not leaving from Nha Trang, we were leaving from Hanoi.
So we told them that we lived in Vietnam for almost a year and a half, and
It was a year and a half.
It was a year and a half, and we flew through many airports, and Nha Trang included, and never had a problem.
It took us about 10 minutes to convince them to give us our drone back, and they did it, but we had to promise not to fly in Nha Trang, which was fine with us because we were there just for one day, and we did drone before, but but yeah, the most ridiculous thing was that they said that if we would fly domestically into Nha Trang or from Nha Trang, it would be fine with the drone, but internationally, it's not fine.
Yeah, so there's this weird thing going on with Nha Trang and Da Nang airports. Supposedly they have some army bases there, and it's because of that they're so supposedly strict and problematic.
We heard these stories before for Da Nang, but we were like, no, it's not true, and then it happened in Nha Trang to us.
It's not gonna happen to us.
We're not gonna play with this again. So if you can, try to avoid coming into those airports internationally, just in case. And that's why we didn't have that super emotional coming back to Vietnam video, which we planned and which we would have for sure, because when we were flying down, landing, like a tear started coming from my face.
My heart was pounding so much. I was like, oh my god, I'm home.
Exactly. But then that shock of almost losing our drone,
they threw us off.
It's expensive. We were completely shocked. We were like in the car, we were quiet the whole time, and we're just like,
that's why we have nothing filmed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But as soon as we came to our apartment, we went to rent a bike and we went to hit the beach.
See, ciao. We're back. Vietnam, baby.
Run, run, run! And one more thing is missing. Morning glory. What you got there?
This is the best ice cream ever. The one we love the most is the watermelon one, but now we found soda and banana as well. Epic kiddo.